Welcome to another Games Gurus video, and this is how to play Capture the Flag. In this game you will need 4 hoops, some tall cones, some flags, some small cones and some bibs for the teams. Start by splitting your playing area into 2 halves. Create a square box in opposite corners, one for each team. You then need to place a hula hoop in each of the boxes. Inside that hula hoop will go the flags. Tag rugby tags or bibs work really well for this. You then need to place another hula hoop in the playing area, and this will act as a jail. Once you split your group into 2 teams, the aim of the game is to go into the other team's side, collect a flag. Once you collect a flag, you can then bring it back safely to your hoop without being tagged. The team with the most tags at the end of the game are the winners. If a player goes across into the other team's side and gets tagged, they then need to go to the jail. To be rescued from the jail, one of their teammates needs to get safely across to them, give them a little high five, and then they're allowed a free pass back to their own side. Note, in this level you can only save one person at a time. If a player makes it safely across to the other team's area, this area acts as a safe zone whilst they're in there. However, as soon as they leave, they're at risk. If they get tagged whilst holding a flag, the flag then needs to go back into the hoop before they then go to jail. There are many variations to this game, so have fun with it and enjoy. Here are some adaptations that you might want to consider. We hope you had fun in today's game, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.